Wait, I'm gonna puke.
Report.
Oh, yellow, very cheater. Trust me, I know cheater when I see him.
Trust my anus.
Can't say that word.
Are you burning?
Oh, I'm dead. Yellow did not save me. He is very asshole.
No, I was gonna no scope. Why did you just like why did you Bro, why did you sound like the fucking lizard that Obi-Wan rides in the second movie? You know that?